today I have a huge lip smacker haul. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started today's video, I just wanted to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. It would really help my channel out a lot, so I would be super thankful if you guys did that. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all the lip smackers that I got from Target, so let's just get started. Okay, so the first one we have here is the Lip Smacker Best Flavor Forever Days of the Week. So this is like the work version. I told you guys in another video that I got the school version because it sounded better, but I decided I wanted to give this one a try too. This one is the work version. So the first one up here is Do the Most Monday Java Chip, Time to Shine Tuesday Peach Delight, Walk Tall Wednesday Green Apple, Think Big Thursday Strawberry Pop, and Be Fierce Friday Fluffy Cotton Candy. And I'm super excited to try these out. I think that the two I'm most excited about are the Strawberry Pop and the Fluffy Cotton Candy, but we shall see once I open it up in my next video how these turn out. A little cool aspect to this one is that on the back there is a magnetic strip, so if you guys wanted to like hang this up in your locker, you can totally do that. And this little plastic piece comes off really easily. If you guys take the clear stickers on the side and just take them off carefully, it should just go right back on once you get the clear stickers off. So then you could just hang these up in your locker. On the back, this one says, enjoy the classic lip smacker flavors you know and love every day of the week while keeping your lips soft and moisturized with lip smackin' flavor and shine. Okay, up next I kind of got like a little original. So I got the Best Flavor Forever. This is like the original pack. So we have oatmeal cookie, vanilla, mango, watermelon, tropical punch, cotton candy, kiwi, and strawberry. I'm mostly excited about the mango and the watermelon one. I really cannot wait to try these, you guys. These sound so amazing. On the back it says the Best Flavor Forever Lip Balm is a lip smacker party pack assortment that's perfect for collecting and sharing. Moisturize and soften lips with lip smackin' flavor and shine. So I'm really excited to try these out. Okay, up next I decided to get the Coca Cola pack. I haven't been able to find this in store, so I was really excited to find it in Target. So this one has the original Coca Cola flavor, the Coca Cola cherry flavor, the Coca Cola vanilla flavor, the Sprite Lip Smacker, the Barks Root Beer, the Fanta Grape, Fanta Orange, and Fanta Strawberry. I personally actually don't like Coca-Cola. The only Coca-Cola I like is like the vanilla one, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like these two, but I do prefer Pepsi over Coca-Cola. Don't at me. I don't know why, I just do. And then I'm excited to try out the Sprite one. I used to have the Sprite one when I was younger, so I want to see if this like compares to the old one that I remember. I don't like root beer, but I'm really excited to try the vanilla Sprite, Fanta Orange, and the Fanta Strawberry, so these will be really exciting. On the back it says, enjoy the authentic taste of your favorite beverage flavors in a lip balm that's as good for your lips as it tastes. Conditioning formula smooths and moisturized lips with the authentic and classic taste of Coca-Cola brand soda. So I'm really excited to try these out. Up next I have the Lip Smacker Best Flavor Forever. This is Marie from Aristocats. I used to watch this movie every night before I fell asleep. Fun fact, most of the time I would fall asleep watching this movie. So I've always been like in love with Marie. I just have always thought she's so cute and adorable. So this is a Zoom. So these are the ones that you can like collect and stack them. On the back it says, bring the game to life with these stackable collectible lip balm pots in yummy special edition flavors. Conditioning formula smooth and moisturized lips, leaving a delicious translucent shine. Collect them all. So this is what she looks like. It is just so cute and adorable, you guys. Her face is so adorable with a little bow on it, and I'm super excited to try this out. This is in the scent Love and Perry flavor, so I'm really excited to try this. And then the very last one I got is the Lip Smacker Best Flavor Forever Belle. So this is Princess Belle. I'm sure that you guys all know. This scent is hashtag Last Rose Petal flavor, so I'm assuming that this will have like a rosy scent to it. And this one actually doesn't say anything about it on the back, but I'm still really excited to try this out. Okay, you guys, that is it for my Lip Smackers haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!